Welcome to my channel, Chemistry Class. And I hope you are doing well. So in the previous lecture we studied methods of removing hardness of waters, and today we are going to study another very important topic, which is disadvantages of hard water. Now let's discuss in details. Disadvantages of hard water. Hard water contains dissolved salt of calcium, C double positive, and magnesium, Mg double positive. Although it has some benefits, it causes many practical and industrial problems. Now let us discuss one by one and details. The first one, wastage of soap. Hard water reacts with soap and forms insoluble scum instead of leather. As a result, more soap is required. Cleaning becomes difficult. Reaction with soap: 2 C17 at 35 COONA plus C double positive gas. C17 at 35 COO whole taken 2 Ca precipitate plus 2 Na positive. Insoluble calcium soap scum is formed. Second one, formation of scum. Scum is a sticky insoluble layer formed during washing. Atta sticks to clothes, makes washing ineffective, leaves spots on utensils. Third one, scale formation in boilers and pipes. Hard water forms scale deposits in boilers, pipes, heaters. This leads to blockage of pipes, reduced heat transfer, damage to equipment. Fourth one, increased fuel consumption. Due to scale formation, heat transfer becomes inefficient. More fuel is required to heat water. This increases energy consumption and cost. Fifth one, damage to appliances. Hard water affects washing machines, water heaters, industrial equipment, and reduces the efficiency and life of appliances. Sixth one, poor quality washing. Clothes washed in hard water becomes dull and raw, do not clean properly, soap does not work effectively. Seventh one, industrial problems. In industries, hard water causes scaling and boiler, reduced efficiency of machines, interference in chemical reactions. It affects production quality. Summary of disadvantages of hard water. Hard water causes wastage of soap, formation of scum, scale formation in pipes and boilers, increased fuel consumption, damage to appliances, poor washing quality, industrial problems. So my dear student, this is all about today's lecture and disadvantages of hard water. I hope you understand. So if this lecture will help you, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon for more chemistry lectures, and share it with your friends. Comments your question below. Take care and see you in the next class, inshallah. Thank you for listening.